Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a lofted bend. Some important point is discussed here. A bent point is discussed here, and lofted bend is a some advanced point is discussed here. Okay, guys, this previous lecture is also discussed here. A basic point lofted bend is discussed here, and this lecture is a some advanced point is discussed here. Okay, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is Solidworks software interface, and at first previous lecture this geometry is discussed here, and this geometry is used some lofted bend is advanced point is discussed here. Okay guys, lofted bend is click here. Okay, some bent point is click here, and all is a bent option is pop up. Okay, and click this body, this point select, and also this point is select here. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, and all highlighted point is very important because all is a changeable, and this is a chord tolerance. Okay, and this is a number of beads, this is a segment length, and this is a segment angle. 4 point is also very important point, and all is a changeable. Okay, this refer to end point, click here, and this point is a also. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 but refer to end point is click then all is a 4 point. Okay, all is correct, and number of beads is 3. Okay, this is a this body 2, but 3 is better, and 4 is okay, 4 is allow here, and okay, length is also increase and decrease. Sit metal parameters length. Okay, this is a also increase and decrease. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is perfect. This is a segment length. Okay, this is a looking so nice, and okay, length is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a correct. Segment angle is also changeable, but chord tolerance is perfect. Okay, click. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and background is also, and color is so nice, this color is better. Okay, this is a perfect. Click and metal, and also okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is a cartoon is apply here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this plane is hide. Okay, this is a also hide. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, looking perfect. Okay, lofted bend is complete here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.